Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Territory, stock reference number 5878. This shape ran from the 5th of 2011 to the 12th of 2016. It has an SZ Mark 1 Mark 2 6-cylinder 4-litre petrol engine backed by an auto rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our SZ Mark 1 Mark 2 6-cylinder 4-litre petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand mirror. Left front door, 4 dents, good private. Left rear door, 5 dents, good private. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate, 1 dent. Right-hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents, good private. Right front door, 1 dent, insurance. Right-hand mirror. Right front guard, fold at the headlight. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right-hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Touchscreen display with sat nav. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy leather steering, 4-spoke steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.